One evening, as Mark was sitting on his couch watching TV, he heard a knock at the door. It was odd because he wasn't expecting anyone. Curiously, he got up and opened the door to find a small brown package on his doorstep. There was no one around, and the package had no return address. Mark picked up the package, feeling its weight. It was surprisingly heavy for its size. He took it inside, set it on the kitchen table, and stared at it for a moment. Who could have sent this? And why? After a few minutes of hesitation, Mark decided to open it. He carefully cut the tape and lifted the lid. Inside, there was a small wooden box with a lock on it. A note was attached, and it read, "Find the key where the sun sets." Mark was puzzled. What could this mean? He sat down and thought about it. Where the sun sets. He whispered to himself. Suddenly, he realized the note might be referring to the old park near his house. It had a beautiful sunset view over the lake. Determined to solve the mystery, Mark grabbed his coat and headed to the park. The sun was just beginning to set as he arrived, casting an orange glow over the water. He walked to the spot where he and his friends used to watch the sunset, searching for anything unusual. As he looked around, Mark noticed something shiny under a bench. He bent down and picked up a small, old-fashioned key. His heart raced. Could this be the key to the box? Excited, he rushed back home and inserted the key into the lock on the wooden box. It fit perfectly. Mark turned the key, and with a soft click, the box opened. Inside, there was a single folded letter. With trembling hands, Mark unfolded it. The letter was from his grandfather, who had passed away years ago. It read, "For when you're ready to remember the adventures we shared." Tears welled up in Mark's eyes as memories of his childhood adventures with his grandfather flooded back. The package wasn't just a mystery, it was a gift, a reminder of the special bond they once had.
Now it's quiz time. What did Mark find on his doorstep? A. A letter. B. A package. C. A newspaper. D. A basket. Answer. B. A package. What was inside the package? A. A book. B. A key. C. A wooden box with a lock. D. A gift. Answer. C. A wooden box with a lock. Where did the note tell Mark to find the key? A. In his house. B. At the park. C. Where the sun sets. D. Under a tree. Answer. C. Where the sun sets. What did Mark find under the bench at the park? A. A letter. B. A flower. C. A key. D. A map. Answer. C. A key. Who was the letter in the box from? A. His father. B. His friend. C. His grandfather. D. A stranger. Answer. C. His grandfather.
Now it's vocabulary time. Curiously, meaning, in a way that shows interest or a desire to know more. Hesitation, meaning, a pause before doing something, often due to uncertainty or doubt. Puzzled, meaning, confused or unable to understand something. Trembling, meaning, shaking slightly, usually from excitement, fear, or strong emotions. Adventure, meaning, an exciting or unusual experience, often involving exploration.